fourth grade. Today I'm going to show you a little trick when you have to convert in math, right? Because that's what we're learning this week. So if I had a problem or a question that asked me to convert to the smallest unit, first I need to look at my problem. I look at my problem, which is the measurement that's presented to me, which is 32 kilograms and 432 grams. I know some of us might think that these are two separate measurements. They are not. They are one single measurement. This is like if I were to weigh 5 laptops on a scale, and the scale told me that the 5 laptops weighed 32 kilograms and 432 grams, okay? So now that I have all of that settled, this is a single measurement. A single measurement that has mixed units is called a mixed unit, right? A mixed unit measurement. Okay? If you have any questions on how many grams go into 1 kilogram, you can get your handy dandy conversions chart that you have in your journal or in your math folder, and it will tell you 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So, with that being said, because it's in the thousands, I tell my students this only works if it is in the thousands, okay? If you're doing centimeters, it does not apply because those are units of 100. These are not units of 100, these are units of 1,000 because 1,000 grams go into 1 kilogram, okay? Watch because this is going to be super quick. Because they are in units of 1,000, my kilogram goes away and I replace it with a thousands comma. Now, if I take it apart, it's no longer a mixed unit. It is one single unit of 32,432 grams. Did you catch it? Did you see how fast that was? Let's try the next unit. 54 kilograms and 645 grams. Remember this, these are together. This is one single unit of measurement, but they're mixed. It's kilograms mixed with grams, but I want to convert to the smallest unit, which is grams. Because these are units of 1,000. 1,000 grams go into 1 kilogram. My kilogram goes away and I replace it with a thousands comma. Now it is 54,645 grams. But then grams aren't the only units of 1,000 that fit into the next biggest unit, right? Milliliters also are in units of 1,000. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Same thing. Because they are in the thousands, if I had a mixed unit like 65 liters and 326 milliliters, right? Mixed unit, again, this is one single measurement. My liters goes away and it turns into a thousands comma. This only works when your units are 1,000s, like kilograms and grams and liters and milliliters.